All right, hey there guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Swann theft deterrent imitation camera. Now, keep in mind I said imitation, okay? Now, this is pretty good to me. Now look at it, it's pretty good. This is an imitation, it's not a real camera, but it looks like a real camera, doesn't it? It really does, and I'm pretty sure it would fool the average thief out there that wants to like break into your place and do something. Yeah, this is a very, very good deterrent, I found. I mean, not that I'm able to sit outside my house and see these, strapped up against my house, and I see a thief and I see that they see the camera and say, oh no, look at that camera, and run off. I'm not saying that, but just me observing the camera itself, just the way it looks, I can tell that it is very realistic looking. Yeah. And what happened is I had an actual camera system at my house. Was hooked up to, a recorder and everything, and it did what it was supposed to do, and it was made by Swann. The cameras are very expensive. They are. Kind of a thrifty guy, so I wanted to add more security to my place, but I really didn't want to spend the money. So I saw these, and it was made by the actual company that actually makes the security system cameras that I already had. So I got these. I mean, they don't record anything or anything, but if anybody sees them, they're gonna think that there's a camera there and get out of here, right? And that's really one of the things that I really liked about this, is that it was actually made by a company that actually makes security cameras. So they know what they look like, what they're supposed to look like, and they're gonna just duplicate the cameras that they already have, So it is really, really a good thing that it's actually made by a camera system that is a company that actually makes real cameras, is what I'm saying. So this being a deterrent really is a good idea. Now, the only thing with this one is I could not figure out how I thought when I first got this, the advertisement, it came with it was supposed to have a red light right there. I couldn't figure out how to get the red light on. I'm not sure how or why. It just wouldn't come on for some reason. I don't know if I was following the directions wrong, but yeah, it wouldn't come on, but it was fine. Actually, I don't see the advertisement when I first got it had a red light at the very bottom. When I got it, I didn't see where there would be a red light there, but oh well. But it's cool. This is very cool, and it even comes with Swann security stickers that you can put on your window, like all over, a bunch of them. See? Pretty cool, right? Yeah. It is very sturdy material, so if you have these outside, it will, be really stiff and sturdy and hold its place. And it has anti-corrosive, weather-resistant case here if you're going to have it outside. So yeah, and it looks really just like the real thing. It really does. I'm really glad they have these because they're really, really cheap. And if it was me, in just my opinion, if it was me and I saw a artificial camera outside someone's house, and I mean, I didn't know it was an artificial camera, but I saw it, I would not mess with that house, or I would try to do something to the security system. I would not just ignore it. It looks that real. I mean, it's a deterrent. It really is. It's a really good idea. I did not know they had these. I was at the store a while back ago. I saw them, and it was a really good idea to add to my security here at my house. Thought it was a good idea. So I got about 3 of these and put them all over. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm very happy with this, and I don't see the downside other than that red light that is missing right here. Because I think if there was a red light here, like flashing on and off, like made with like a little battery or something, it would be a better deal. Yeah. Okay, well, that is the Swann Theft Deterrent Imitation Camera. It's really good. Bye, guys. All right. Hope you enjoyed this and use this information. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.